Organizing your sales pipeline doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Think of it like setting up your workspace. When everything has a place, nothing gets lost and everything moves faster. Inside EmpowrSoft, your pipeline becomes the command center where you track leads, automate follow-ups, and move deals forward with clarity. Let's start by creating your sales pipeline. Head over to Opportunities, then click on Pipelines. From there, select Create New Pipeline. Give your pipeline a name and set up the stages that reflect your actual sales process. This is where you tailor it to how your team works. A simple structure could look like this: new lead, hot lead, booked call, no-show, delayed, closed, and non-responsive. The goal is to clearly define where every lead sits so nothing slips through the cracks. Once your stages are set, save your pipeline. Now that your pipeline is ready, it's time to fill it with opportunities. If you already have a list of contacts, maybe from an event, another CRM, or a spreadsheet, you can import them directly. Go back to Opportunities and click Import. Choose Opportunities as the import type, upload your file, and map each column to the correct fields. Once everything looks good, start the bulk import. Just like that, your pipeline is populated and ready to go. For leads that come in one at a time, you can add opportunities manually. Go to Opportunities and click Add Opportunity. Select an existing contact or create a new one, then assign them to the correct pipeline and stage. You can also set the value and any relevant details. This gives you full control over how each opportunity is tracked. Now let's talk about automation. This is where things get powerful. Instead of manually adding every lead, you can have EmpowrSoft do it for you. Go to Automation and open Workflows. Create a new workflow from scratch or use a template. Start by adding a trigger. A common one is Form Submitted. Choose the form you're using to capture leads and save the trigger. Next, add an action. Select Create or Update Opportunity. Choose the pipeline and stage where new leads should go, set the status to open, and add a value if you have one. Save the action, then publish the workflow. From that point forward, every time someone submits that form, they automatically appear in your pipeline. No manual work required. You can apply this same setup to other triggers as well. When someone books an appointment, you can drop them into a Consult Scheduled stage. When a payment is received, you can move them into a One or Onboarding stage. When a tag is applied, you can push hot leads closer to closing. The action stays the same: Create or Update Opportunity. The only thing that changes is the trigger based on how leads enter your system. Once this is in place, your pipeline runs like a system instead of a guessing game. Every lead is accounted for, every stage is visible, and your team knows exactly what to do next.